This is a Delta Tulip faucet. It's a fine faucet, but over time it can show a gap in the swing arm as shown here. We'll blow it up and take a look. So how does this happen? Well, every time you actuate the swing arm, swinging it either left or right, it either loosens or tightens a brass connector which goes between the main body and the swing arm. For reasons that I will explain in the notes, the swing arm tends to unscrew itself over time. To fix this problem, rotate the swing arm until you can see the black plastic button on its rear. Press and hold that button while pulling up on the swing arm and remove it from the main unit. Next, you want to apply some thread locking material to the brass fitting. To do this, you might need to back the brass fitting out slightly and then squirt a little bit of LockTite or similar liquid into the gaps around the threads and then screw it back in. Now, you can't just turn the black plastic, you have to make sure you're turning the brass fitting to which you have just applied the LockTite as well. Finally, assemble the swing arm to the main body by aligning the hole in the back of the swing arm with the little plastic nubbin that you pressed in order to remove the swing arm. And that's it, folks. Hope that helped.